Good day, everyone. Thank you for listening to this. My name is Tepiso Teselezo. I am the founder of Gaborone Rehabilitation and Emergency Center, which is a medical and psychological treatment facility looking up to set up, build, and operate an 8-wing rehabilitation center, the first of its kind in Botswana. Currently, there is no rehabilitation center in Botswana, and we want to be the first to break ground in that area. Families crumble, economies crumble, people lose jobs and their potential because when they find themselves in areas of addiction, mental illness, old age, neonatal complications, road traffic accidents, they do not know where to go to seek and have rehabilitation services. We want to be the center that provides for such service to people like that. Insurances as well as medical aids do cover expenses for such conditions almost up to 2 million, and we have tried a program that has a 95.5% success rate, and this is the program that we want to venture into through our rehabilitation center and enroll people into it, in which a person will be paying 850 per night and being able to stay in the rehabilitation facility for an average of 3 months. We can see that clearly this is a high need, high benefit, or high gain business and project, which only does not profit capital wise but also helps change and transform people of many. We believe so much that second chances are everything, and I believe any leader and any person called to purpose in life believes in second chances, because we all are worthy of some and we all deserve some. We are right now looking for a consortium of individuals who can help us take this business, this project that we have so far invested up to 250,000 in it, as well as invested a lot of expertise, a lot of break ground, getting licenses, trying to secure partnerships and relations with a lot of companies having more than 1,500 employees. We now are looking for a consortium in the areas of financial capital, social relationship capital, as well as intellectual capital. We are asking for 65 million pula that will help us purchase land, construct this 8-winged facility, the first of its very kind in Botswana, as well as be able to help us pay expertise as well as recruit and secure the relevant resources and equipments that can help us bring and provide first class, excellent quality, sustainable services in rehabilitation that will be the ones that Botswana and people all over the world will need. We are looking for social relation capital in the form of somebody who can help us network and business build so that we can be introduced to potential funders and investors, as well as intellectual capital in the form of legal advices, HR, human resource advices, financial advices. We do know from this end that not only are insurances able to cover or medical aids able to cover, even the government is willing to cover areas such as GBV, as well as families are willing to pay out of pocket for this rehabilitation services. We need to find people who believe in this vision, who believe in this purpose of second chances, so that we can transform the many lives out there that are waiting for somebody like you and I to bring in a form of guidance, to bring in a form of resolution and remedy to those who need it. I look forward to hearing from you, and thank you so much for listening.